Start telling perfect insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Earn and gain trust. Be like. 1. You keep your promise. Trust level. Okay, this person actually means it. 2. You told the truth. No plot twist required. 3. You showed up when you said you would. Reliability unlocked. 4. You admitted your mistakes. Respect, accountability has entered the chat. 5. You listen carefully. Sometimes trust grows just by being a good listener. 6. You respect boundaries. No pushing, no pressure, just respect. 7. You keep private things private. Secret keeper, achievement unlocked. 8. You help without expecting a reward. Kindness, doing side quests. 9. You stayed consistent. Same good energy even on Monday morning. 10. You gave honest advice. Helpful truth delivered with kindness. 11. You apologize sincerely. My bad actually came with a responsibility. 12. You forgive a tiny mistake. Everybody gets a human moment. 13. You didn't gossip about others. The rumor department is officially closed. 14. You respected everyone's opinion. Different thoughts, same respect. 15. You supported someone doing a tough moment. Friendship backup system activated. 16. You celebrate someone else's success. No jealousy, just good vibes. 17. You gave credit where it belong. They did the work. Respect. 18. You communicated clearly. Fewer misunderstandings. Fewer dramatic episodes. 19. You didn't make promises you couldn't keep. No deluxe edition of disappointment. 20. You stayed calm during disagreements. Debate mode without a boss battle muse. 21. You treated people fairly. Trust grows when people feel respected. 22. You help someone learn. Sharing knowledge builds strong connections. 23. You accepted constructive criticism. Ouch, but thank you. 24. You gave people a second chance wisely. Growth deserves room sometimes. 25. You were dependable in tiny things. Tiny actions can build giant trust. 26. You didn't pretend for being perfect. Being genuine is more trustworthy than acting flawless. 27. You respected differences. We don't have to agree to respect each other. 28. You keep improving. Trust grows when actions show real progress. 29. You prove it through actions. Talk is nice. Consistency brings receipts. 30. You earn trust over time. Trust isn't a vending machine. You cannot just press a button and expect it to appear. Trust is earned through honesty, respect, consistency, and good action. It may take time to build, but on careless moment can make people question it. So treat trust like a treasure, not a toy. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.